Hello, everyone. Again, I'm recording this session, so I just want to say hi to everyone. And I want you to build. You don't have to build it right now, but as we go, I want you to build this circuit here. I know we did this last time, but this time we're going to do it not with simulation, with an actual circuit, and we're going to use what we call an IDE, Arduino IDE. I'm going to help you to install this software. This is the platform where actually you will be creating sketches with Arduino. Instead of we don't say program, we say sketch. It's just a name. You know, you can say code, program. It doesn't matter. So we will be installing first. Let's do the first thing. Do you see this window now?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have this application installed in your laptop? It's called Arduino IDE.
Let me install it.
No. So let me, you have your laptops. Let me walk you through how you install it, okay? So you go to Google and just type Arduino IDE, just like that, okay? And I'm not gonna go too fast, you know. And then click on software Arduino. So I'm gonna wait a couple minutes and I'll walk you through how you install it, okay? Okay, are you connected, of course, to, you got Google up, you typed Arduino IDE, just like you see here. And now click on software Arduino. And go to software. See, under software, it's actually this page also. You choose, it depends if you have Windows 7 or newer. If you have a Mac, I don't think you have Linux, but choose the Windows platform you have, okay? So if you have, for example, Windows 7 or newer, just click on that.
I have Mac, so I click on Mac.
Yeah, if you have Mac, you click on Mac. And then you don't have to contribute. This is just so money you can contribute, but you don't have to contribute, okay? Just do other, or just do just download, okay? You see this? Click on just download. And it's gonna be downloaded, and once it's downloaded, just click on this exe file. So I'm not gonna download it because I already have it. It's that simple, okay? And let me know when you're done. How are we doing so far?
I downloaded.
Good, good. Are you able to open this window?
I'm extracting the files.
Okay, all right, that's good. Take your time, no problem. This is very important software that you need to, we will be using all the time. So I want to make sure you got it installed in your laptop. Hey, Adam, are you able to see this window now?
Yes.
Okay, good, good. Not this exact program. Okay, but this window, that's fine. I think what you have, Adam, is I'm gonna go new, and this is what you got. Is that what you got? Something like this?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, good. All right.
Yeah.
Then you're good. You're good. Take your time. Yeah. Yes, no problem. Just take it easy. So did you extract that file?
Yeah, I'm going into the exe now.
Okay, good. Good.
All right, done.
Good. Are you seeing this window now?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, good. So let me talk about this Arduino IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's nothing but a platform where you write a code, just like this one here, okay? Just like a Word document or Notepad. This is basically where you write code. The first button here, if you don't do any error, it should be, let's make an error, okay? For example, I'm gonna take this bracket from here, okay? Take it out, okay? And I wanna verify. So this button normally verify if your code is correct. So I go, well, we have to save it because I made the new. So I'm just gonna say test, okay? All right, so did you see that? It's giving me an error, and it's telling me it's expecting a close curly brackets. Do you see it? See that? You see that? So that's that red there reason because I deleted something that has to be there. Okay. Now, if I put back my curly bracket and I want to verify my code is good, I click here. Done compiling. So this first button, it will just basically look at the code and it tells you, okay, it doesn't mean the code is gonna work, but it tells you that there is no syntax error. Just like when we write a Word document, we have to sometimes put a comma and some punctuations, the same thing. These are for coding. These are very important. Sometimes you find semicolon, parentheses, and I will talk about all these things. Functions like this. Yes, go ahead, Adam.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay, well, Adam, when you're not talking to us, what you have to do is to mute your laptop and only talk and unmute it when you want to talk. Is that good? And you too, yes. So you can always talk at any time. So the next step, okay. So we know the code is good. Okay. The next button right here, this is to upload the code to Arduino. If you click in here, basically, and I'm not going to do it right now because we're going to upload a code that's actually we are interested in. This code is going to go to here. Let me just show. It's going to come from the serial ports, that's USB, and it's going to come from here to the microcontroller itself. Okay, so that's what upload means. So actually, when I'm using my mouse now, are you seeing my mouse moving? Yassine, Adam?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, good. Just want to make sure, Right now we are not gonna upload the code, as I said. So let's just go through the code itself and the functions of each function of the Arduino IDE, this software here, this application. This is basically just if you want to create, you can click on this, or you can also go here and do new. Here, open a new file, save a file, but you can, this is like shortcuts, but you can always go here and open and save or save as, okay? And this is what you need to pay attention. I'm sure you have an Arduino Uno, okay? There's a lot of flavors or variety of Arduinos, okay? There's Pro Mini, there is Nano, there is Mega, but what you have is Arduino Uno, okay? So I want you to get your USB, okay? And connect your laptop to your Arduino Uno. You want to do that? And then once you've done that, I want you to come to Tools and select Arduino Uno, just like this. And let me know when you're done.
Done.
Good. You don't have to have the LEDs and everything connected. I want you just to connect your Arduino with your laptop. How about you, Adam? You can unmute yourself if you want to talk to me. So since you've done that, Yassine, go to Tools again. Go to Tools.
Mm-hmm.
And then under, you see this board Arduino Uno. I want you to select the Arduino that you have. And I'm sure you have, click on Arduino Uno. You did that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then we have next step. Adam, if you lost your USB or something, it's okay. You know, you can always do it later. Or I can do it with you, but don't worry. Main thing is to follow us, and that's it. This needs a lot of practice. You have to do things back and forth until you master it. There's no reason why, you know, I've done it many times. I have to repeat and repeat and repeat until I kind of understood things.
I connected.
Good, good. So now go to Tools. You see that? Did you see that?
Tools?
Yes. And then board Arduino.
I don't see tools.
On top, you don't have tools here? Do you see my window?
Yes.
What do you have after Sketch? Do you have Sketch?
Yeah, Sketch.
Well, and then after Sketch, what do you have? Do you have tools?
No.
What do you have?
It's just a blue bar.
Maybe click on it. Maybe I think what you installed for Mac. So click on that blue bar. What do you have? Do you have board Arduino Uno?
Nothing happens when I click a blue bar.
Okay, so here is Adam, because I don't know what you have. So I'm gonna see that later on, and I will fix it for you. Is that okay? So right now I want you just to follow us, okay? So Yassine, so you got this connected. That's fine. Now I want you to go Tools. You see where it says Port?
Yeah.
Okay, mine is grayed out because I haven't connected my USB yet. I'm gonna do it right now.
Okay.
Okay. notes when I gonna click here, takes like a, so notes now it says ports. I have COM 8. What do you have there?
Not have any.
Okay, so whatever COM communication, this is when you connect your serial, your USB to that serial port that you have on your laptop, it uses one of these communication ports, okay? And it doesn't say anything in your laptop. It should give you.
It does say R3.
Oh yeah, then select 3. So yeah, everyone is different. Depends on how many devices connected to your laptop, and so in your case is 3. That's good. So select that. You did?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Now here is what I want you to do. Okay. I'm not sure if you have already connected your LEDs like this. No?
No.
Yeah, so I think what we did last time in the class, we did this configuration, this circuits. We built this circuit using Tinkercad, if you remember. Okay. So with Tinkercad, now it's more like simulation software. With right now, actually, we are building an actual circuits. And here is what I want you to remember. This leg of the LED that is kind of connected with the resistor, that's the longer leg, okay? And the other leg, so the longer leg is the anode, okay? And that's where the current is gonna come from the digital pins, and then it's gonna go through the LED, and from here it's gonna go to the negative or to the ground, okay? You see that?
Okay.
So let me show you from the blue. So you see the blue, the longer leg is here connected to the resistor, and the shorter leg connected to the ground, okay? You see that? And if we take, for example, this is just an extra, I had 6
I found the tools.
Huh? You found
I found the tools.
Oh, that's good. Then if you found the tools, just do what I told you. If you go back, let me go back and I'll show you. Okay, you find the tools, you go here, you go to Arduino Uno, select your board, which is Arduino Uno, okay?
Okay.
And then go to next one, under tools, go to ports, and select your ports. You may be selected here. You may be port, this is COM 8, COM 7, COM 3, whatever port you have, you select it, just like that, okay?
Mine is device Bluetooth incoming port.
No, it's not a Bluetooth. You should have something like COM, something like that. COM 3, COM 4, COM 5. But Adam, because since you have a Mac, I have to see with you. But just for now, just follow us, okay? Is that good? But remember, you have to select the port. If you don't select the correct port, your code won't be able to get uploaded, because this is the gateway. This is the door to your microcontroller. When we write a code here, it's gonna go through that port, okay? So for now, just follow us for now, okay? So let me continue with this. We're having, so for example, the green LED right here, it's connected with this wire. The black wire here, which is the digital pin 7, okay? And the last LED, which is the blue, here, it's connected with this green wire, and this is actually pin number 3. You see that? Pin number 3. So we are using from pin number 3 all the way to pin number 7. So we have how many? We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're using 5 digital pins from 3 to 7. So this one we assigned digital pin 3. Hello, Marwan. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, we're happy to you join. I guess you didn't miss much because you already have an Arduino IDE installed in your laptop. Is that correct, Marwan? Hello?
Yeah, I have a Arduino IDE on my laptop.
Okay, so that's good. So I just helped Yassine and Adam install Arduino IDE. And now we are actually doing the same project we did last week using Tinkercad. Now actually we are redoing it. I want to go through the for loop because it's a little bit really new concept for you and for everyone, and a little bit complicated. So I want to go through the actual circuits. So if you have this, go ahead and build this configuration. If you don't have it, if you have it, that's good. Connect it with your laptop. And Marwan, were you able to upload the code using Arduino IDE?
I tried to do it last time, but it wouldn't upload, and I only have 3 lights.
Yeah, if you only have 3 LEDs, that's fine. It doesn't have to be 5. It could be 5, 6, 7. Doesn't matter. But let me go, since you couldn't really upload the code. Let me go briefly with you what you should do. Okay. So everyone has no Arduino IDE. This is the Arduino IDE installed. Okay. And I'm gonna go over quickly what this Arduino IDE is about. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Is nothing but a platform where you write your code. Okay, so you use the first button here to verify that you don't have any error syntaxes. So for example, as I said, if I delete this bracket, closing curly brackets, the code is gonna, when you verify, is gonna give you this red error expecting curly brackets. So so it's always good to verify. So if I put it back, it says done compiling. What is compiling? Basically, you know, the laptop or microcontroller, it uses machine language, and machine language is really codes of binary numbers, 0 or 1. So the code that we have here, you see, it's more like text. It's high level programming. Okay, and so we need to bring this high level programming, which is like a human friendly, we can read it, to lower programming for microcontrollers and computers to understand. And this application, there's a compiler basically that converts this text, which we call program or sketch, into a data format or code that actually microcontroller or laptop computers gonna understand. Okay, so I hope that you know, clarify what is this compiling mean. Okay, so once you verify your code is good and it's able to compile, you go before you click on this second button. That's how you upload your code. What you need to do, Marwan, maybe that's what you missed. You click on under tools. Did you select your Arduino? Let's say I have Arduino Uno. Did you select your Arduino?
No, I did not do that.
You have to select. So you have to tell your just like you drive in a car. Okay, so you need to know what kind of car you're driving. So the same thing, the Arduino IDE software needs to know what kind of, because with Arduino, we have Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Pro Mini, and sometimes the pins are in different locations. So that's why you need to tell him, I'm using this device, okay? So select your Arduino Uno, and then the COM also. You see the sports COM is very important. When you try to send this code to your Arduino, it's gonna come through your USB, because this is how, see here, this is basically, it's gonna show you my laptop. You see my laptop? Well, I'm using this to connect to my laptop. But anyway, think about this. USB is connected to my laptop, okay? So it's through this port, and in my case, it's COM8. That is the program is gonna go through the USB and is gonna go here. So you need to tell that to your laptop, okay? I mean to your laptop, basically to the application that we are using, which is Arduino IDE. So is that good, Marwan?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, good. So once you configured, that's what we call serial communication between your laptop and the microcontroller. Then we are ready to send the code. Okay. Now I want you to this is the basic code that you can have. Okay. Any code that we're gonna write in the future, it will have at least these two statements. For now, I'm just gonna call them statements, okay? So the first one, this is the minimum of the minimum that you need, okay? So the first one is called void setup. So this setup function, what's important is this setup, the function here. So this is where you set up your code. You say, let's say, as I give an example last time, let's say you wanna build a house, okay? And to build your house, you're gonna need the bricks. You're gonna say, I'm gonna build maybe 3-level house. I'm gonna have 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So this is where you set up your everything that you need to build that house. And here, the other function, it's called loop. Okay. The program always need this one gets set up once, but the loop it keep repeatedly run repeatedly and differently until someone unplug your laptop. And think about, for example, I'll just give this example. Let's say you are standing on the road, and when you want to cross the road, you're always paying attention who's coming left, who's coming right, who's coming left. So you always so repeatedly, otherwise you get in trouble. So I'm not gonna say accident, but you know. So the code always this is like is alive, you know. So you need these two functions here. Void basically always think about void. You have to write it before loop, and void here you write it before setup. Don't worry about void. It doesn't mean anything, but this function, it's not gonna return anything. There is no value that it's gonna return for you. And you always basically write this parenthesis, open and close, empty inside here. And then you see this open curly bracket, and then it ends by open curly bracket. And then in the setup, you can actually define, for example, what is your pin going to be using, and some other variables. You can do you can put a lot of things in under here, but this is just the basic format. Okay, so whenever you open, you see after the setup and then parenthesis, you open braces like that, and you have to close it, and in between, that's where, for example, I can write, for example, int. I'm just gonna give an example. This pin equal to 3, for example. Okay, and then in this case I have to write semicolon. Okay, so again, this is int stand for, it's another keyword that we use for Arduino. And don't worry for now if you don't really get it. This is really, it takes time for you to understand everything, but I'm just teaching you today the format, okay? Just how, just like when you write an essay, you know, to not make a mistake, you have to comma, period, things like that. So in the int, so when you want to define a variable, let's say we choose an integer variable, okay? It could be integer, could be float, it could be a string, but just don't worry about now for these names. I will explain them later on. You put int, and you can see the keyword int, it's colored in blue, and then you put your variable. This is basically just a name. Think about variables just like a container, okay, or cup. Let's say you have a cup. You in a cup, you can put either juice, okay, or you can put let's say milk, coffee, water. So the value of that variable, that cup, is in our case it's 3, but I could have put any number here, okay? So variables are there really to just make programming easy for you and to remember, then just put in values just like that, okay? And then you see, you always end a statement by semicolon. This is very important. If you don't do that, you will have an error. So this is another syntax that you have to remember, okay? So this is just a quick introduction on basically how IDE function, and let's see an actual program. So what I want you to do, I want you to delete everything here, okay? And I want you to go, do you remember I gave you, let me minimize this. You have a link to my I think I did something bad. Okay. No. Sorry guys, I kind of like hello? Can you see my screen now?
We can
Yeah,
hear
we
you.
can see and hear you.
I kind of lost you again. Well, I resolved the problem I had last time.
Yeah.
But yeah, this time it's okay. I'm fine. Okay, good. So here is what I want you to do. I want you to go to the Google class, okay? And let's see if I can find it first. And go to this tab here. Let me know when you're here. Adam, do you have this link?
Yes.
Okay. Again, you know, we don't have to finish everything in this session, okay? Take your time, just try to, and I'm recording everything I'm doing, and I'm gonna send it to you. So take your time, just watch me what I'm doing, and if you can't follow me, I mean, follow me on the screen, but if you can do everything I do, I just go back later on and do it again on your time. I want you to have fun, no stress, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So are you able, everyone, are you able to get to this tab here?
Yes.
And I want you to click on Arduino code. Click on Arduino code, okay? and click on this blinking LEDs example. Yasin, are you able to find this tab?
Yeah, I'm in it right now.
Oh, okay, because I was waiting for you to. Okay, so what I want you to do, don't miss anything, including this /**. I want you to copy everything all the way to the this curly bracket, close curly brackets. I want you to copy that, okay? And go to this blank page of Arduino IDE and right click and paste, okay? Once you finish, let me know, okay? Because I want to go with you on this step by step. You done?
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Yes, go ahead.
When I try to upload the code to my Arduino, it says an error occurred while uploading the sketch.
Well, we are not there yet. So if you delete everything and then go with us step by step, then I'll be able to see what you did. Okay? Is this Marwan?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go step by step. Okay, so make sure that you got everything. And so do you have your Arduino connected to your laptop? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and did you select the port? Which port do you have?
SSD.
No, when you go to see under what do you have? Do you have Windows or Mac?
Oh, yeah, I have a Windows.
So when you go under tools, you see here, you should get like COM8, COM3, COM4, some ports.
Okay, I missed that step. I got it.
That's okay. That's okay. So select that. And go slowly with us, okay? So now, once you pasted everything here, okay? And Yasin, probably you don't have the circuits built. Did you build the circuits?
No.
Yeah. So just for you can just follow us at this time, and then later on you can go and build your LEDs slowly and do the rest. Okay. So right now, what we have to do.
All right.
Okay. So you always verify your code. So I click on this. Okay. And it says done compiling. When you don't see any red thing here, that's good news. Okay. It just gives you some messages basically about the sketch that you have used 3% and just some information. Don't worry about this information for now. Okay. So now we did that. Okay. And always make sure that you're using the correct Arduino board. In our case, we're using Arduino Uno. And make sure that you're using the correct ports. So in my case, sometimes if you really want to know what port you have, if you have Windows like mine, just write under search, write device manager. Okay. This is a good way of, when you click on this device manager, this is just for you to know. Okay. See this under port COM, you see that? It tells me you have USB connected to COM port number 8. Okay, so I know for sure If I have another USB in my laptop, I will have another port number. Okay, so now I know for sure I'm using the correct port. Okay. Oops, what happened here? So now, okay. Now once you've done this, I'm gonna run the program first, and then I'm gonna upload, not run. I'm gonna upload the program to or the code or the sketch to my Arduino, and then I'm gonna explain you the code. So you click on this upload. How about now, Marwan? Are you able to upload the code?
Yes, I uploaded it. It's working.
Good, good, good. You see, no, if you don't miss any, all your LEDs are blinking.
Yeah, they're all blinking.
Good, good, good. I'm proud of you. So that's good. I think Adam and Yassine, when they have their board also connected, they will be able. If you build this and you understand this code, you really, it's really, you're far away. I mean, far ahead from a lot of kids at your age. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how this. Once we uploaded. My camera is turned off for some reason. Let me do it again. Okay, can you see my so once we uploaded, can you see this window?
Yeah.
Okay, so once we uploaded the
Yes.
code through our in my case it was serial port 8. The code, it will come from here. It will go through the USB. Okay, and I want you to see next time when you're uploading the code, pay attention. There are two LEDs called transmit, TX, and RX. Transmit and receive. Okay, let me do it. I'm gonna upload the code again and come quickly. So I want you to see them. Okay, let me do it again. Alrighty, where is my? Okay, right here. Okay, I'm gonna upload. Notes here, they were blinking. Did you notice that these two LEDs were blinking? One is called TX, means transmit. One RX. So the code that comes from the USB here, it will be received by this the LED. Basically, this LED will tell you that it was received. And when Arduino microcontroller transmits anything to through the serial ports to laptop, this LED, it will blink. So notice that when you see these two here blinking, means everything is good. Communication between your laptop and a microcontroller is working. Everything is good. Okay. So again, it's always coming to this time, almost 3. I want to spend really a lot of time on this. Okay. I'm just glad. So instead of like trying to rush this at this point, I want you to really just try to run it, and I'm gonna go line by line, very detailed next time. I don't want to just rush it because this is very important. If you understand this code, you really almost you understand anything. So I'm gonna spend a lot of time explaining you this. Okay. Is that good, Marwan? Yassine?
Yes.
Adam?
Yes.
Yeah. Mine's working.
Okay, I want you to really build. Good. That's good. I want you to build the circuits. Try to upload the code. Try to understand on your own what the code does. Try to change a few things. So, for example, one of the things that I want you to change, Marwan, since you already built it, try to change this variable here. I call it timer. So right now, it's at 100. Okay, let me show you what 100 does. Notice that how fast, okay, or how slow, it depends how we're gonna do. Notice, remember the speed to move from one LED to the other one. Now let me go back and change that value. Okay, so instead of 100 millisecond, so I'm gonna put 1,000 millisecond, and I'm gonna push. I'm gonna upload this code. Okay, and let's see what's gonna happen. It's uploading. Notice that the it's gonna have say it's already done, but notice that now the how slow they are. Okay, you see it takes now 1 second to move from one. So you can actually build a watch using this kind of information. So 1 second to move from one LED to the other one. Okay, notice that. Okay, so if we do, for example, 500, okay, I'm gonna go back here. Instead of 1,000, I'm gonna put 500 millisecond, and I'm gonna upload the code. Notice that these two, they've been blinking, transmit and receive LEDs, and now it's a little bit faster. Okay, so I want you to play with this for now, and I think next time I will go line by line. I think it's good to spend time here, and I really thank you very much for attending this class. I really want you to be able to build that car and enjoy and share. If you have friends, please tell them to join the class. It's free. And if they need this Arduino, I have a couple more. I can give them to you guys. Okay. Alrighty. Well, I'll see you next time. And thank
Bye.
you again. Okay.
Bye.